this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students, she got placed in so-and-so company. So she is going to explain her experience. Yes, Tanushree.
So hi everyone, I am TANUSHREE. I have graduated from Samram Institute of Technology in 2023. So as soon as completion of my engineering, during my engineering, my technical skills was too low. So that I choose a path of to join a Rajajinagar PySpiders so that I can improve my technical skills. There I have learned Python, manual testing, SQL and Selenium. Firstly, as soon as I joined PySpiders, the very first class was SQL, which is taken by Alexa, and his teaching was very good. It helped me a lot to improve our skills in SQL. And after that, parallelly, I was attending the Python classes, which is taken by Jeevita ma'am. And after completion of the Python and SQL, we attended the class like manual testing and Selenium. So manual testing was taken by Vijay sir and Selenium was taken by Lakshmi Prasad sir. The regular presentation which helped me in a communication part, and regular boot camps where we are studying the daily classes, what we taught in the classes, and which helped me in cracking the interview, and the grooming classes which helped me the way how we need to answer in the interviews and what are the questions they might ask in the interviews. So that helped me a lot, and finally I got placed. So thank you to all trainers, to all of them for their support and guidance.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.